Finally, I think you might want to kill me for this, but I think you've clicked in real life with somebody and you're just flying the coop.
Like who?
Is it true
What is true?
that you're getting married in the near future?
I'm definitely getting married. I don't know when. And I'm not sure to whom.
Okay.
मेरे दिल के टुकड़े मेरे नन्हे से शहजादे, मुझसे तू नाराज न हो, इतनी ना मुझे सजा दे। देखो कब से तुम्हें बुलाए मेरी तरसी बाहें, आओ प्यार करूं मैं, बहुत हुआ लड़ना भिड़ना, चलो जाने दो अब छोड़ो भी, चलो जाने दो अब छोड़ो भी, इतना भी क्या गुस्सा करना, कुछ अपनी कहो कुछ मेरी सुनो, यूं चुप चुप रह कर दिल ही दिल में क्या कुड़ना, चलो जाने दो अब छोड़ो भी, चलो जाने दो अब छोड़ो भी। ओके। नहीं, विवेक ने मुझे ब्रेक दिया है, मैं उनकी बहुत आभारी हूँ कि उन्होंने मुझे अपनी फिल्म में गाना गाने का मौका दिया। बट इट इज़ ट्रू एक्चुअली, विवेक वेरी स्वीट ऑफ हिम, ही सेड कि तुम सीखती हो तो कम ऑन नाउ फॉर योरसेल्फ, लेट्स ट्राई, यू प्ले बैक एंड ऑल, एंड आई आल्सो गॉट एक्साइटेड, सो आई सेड yeah, okay.
Juhi, over the years, you have evolved as an actress. But there's one thing you have kept with you is that in the cute role kind of thing. Is this by choice or is this by... You must be definitely selecting your own roles.
No, actually this is more... see, when I came in, I didn't know that this was what I was heading for. I did it in QS, QT maybe, and then it stayed on in the minds of people, and I came to be known as the girl next door and, you know, nice little girl next door and things. And then they kept giving me roles like that, and I mean, even right up to now, I mean, I do have those roles with me apart from others that I do play. I mean, I have played a sort of more glamorous one in Dar or in Lutere, but these have been more far between. The ones which come one after the other have me in the more accepted already. The image is already kind of set.
पहले तो मुझे यकीन ही नहीं होता कि I've really been in the industry for so long. जब मैं नई थी तो डरती थी कैमरा के सामने आने से, एक्चुअली मतलब कोई लंबा चौड़ा शॉट होता, डायलॉग होता तो मतलब दिल ऐसे धक धक करता था। फिर of course got into mainstream, did a lot of good films, ran around lots of trees, बहुत मज़े भी आए, हिट्स हुई, फ्लॉप्स हुई, एवरेजेस हुई, साल गुजर गए। Now I don't do those kind of films and I don't really actually even miss them. I really feel कि भाई जो मैं आज हूँ real life में, if I can portray similar things on screen, it's easier for me and I think people will respect me for that. If I try to be what I was before, एक तो I've outgrown it. It won't even look right on me. So I'm very happy playing mom to little children, you know, doing family films or something. I like that.
Back a little, your Sergeant Ka Ghar had kind of shown you as a serious thing, but I think the audience rejected you in that role. How did you feel about that?
I don't think the audience rejected me as that. Twice I've done a role in films which was highly emotional. That is, one was Bewafa Se Wafa, the other one was Sergeant Ka Ghar. Now, though the films didn't fare exceptionally well at the box office, I did receive a lot of fan mail which, you know, kind of praised my work in it. And I met a couple of people, mostly women, who kind of liked the film or they liked the performance I had done. Well, I don't know what to make of it, but I don't know what to make of it really. See, I wish you wouldn't play the number games because I can really only perform well. Whether my film fares well or not, is a success at the box office is beyond my control. and the number game is based more on the success of your film than your performance. It's not in my hands. I throw my hands up in the air. You do what you want. I just want to be amongst the best actresses in this country. That's it.
You know, as far as the roles are concerned, कहीं जाके आपने ज़्यादा performance based अब करने को
हाँ, लोग मुझे थोड़ा रिस्पेक्ट करने लगे. Now they come to me only when there is something to. I'm joking about it, but no, actually they do come with something, somewhere where they feel कि हाँ ये जूही कर सकती हैं अच्छी तरह से. Either they've seen it there in me, or they want a character. ये जूही करेंगी. So it's nice to hear that. A lot of people just come with this thing in mind कि ये आप करेंगे, and we know that it will be right. So I feel कि चलो, I want a little, मेरी credibility थोड़ी high है अभी. I've done all kinds of films. Maybe I'm, like you said, I'm not the glamorous mom. Maybe this suits me more, where also I like to bring a smile on people's faces. I feel कि मेरे को थोड़ा emotional role देंगे तो मैं अच्छा करती हूँ. So all these things I feel I can perform well. So I take on roles which have those elements in them. Then people come to me saying already, okay, we know you do fun things nicely. Please do this. Somewhere I think I just like that. I enjoy it, and I just do it. I know people try to compare and say कि आप ऐसा करती हैं, but माधुरी जी वो कर रही हैं, काजोल वो कर रही हैं. I'm like, please, I don't want to compare. I can do what I can do. I'm happy doing it. Yeah, in my head I'm much more free today. As in, okay, in bits and pieces I have just extended myself and said, chalo, let's have fun. In Kismat Connection, Aziz Ree's film with Shahid and Vidya, he's given me a guest appearance role. He said, you have to do it. And I'm playing a gypsy, little cracked. The way I've dressed, the way I've done my scenes, there are just maybe 6 scenes in the film. But they were a lot of fun. And I will maybe not do that ever again, and may not do it in another film. So I just said, yes, I will do it, and it's really turned out quite amusing.